Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can add a new supplier invoice on your Crunch account. On sidebar, under expenses, click on expenses section. To add a new invoice, click on plus sign and fill in details. For example, in my case, I will use Electricity Limited, but if it's completely new supplier, click on new supplier and fill in details of this new supplier. Select the date of an invoice. We can attach a file like a support document. We can add a note if required, some additional details provided. We can also make this as a chargeable to client. Also, we can add a reference, which would be supplier invoice number. Okay. Items. It would be a service description. Expense type, this is automatically selected from supplier's account, what been defaulted, but we can still go and amend in case if there is some admin fees coming in, so it needs to be charged not under utilities but under different expense type. So just select and select one which is more appropriate based on the line details from your supplier invoice. Select the VAT rate, which is shows on your invoice. I will keep the reduced 5% and add an amount. For example, I will put £55. Payment, if this invoice, supplier invoice been paid today, when we received an invoice, then we can select from which bank account it's been paid and date. Maybe it's been paid yesterday, then we can mark it as a paid as well. Otherwise, if payment is not made yet, remove by clicking on delete button and save by clicking on this button, or if you have another supplier invoice to add, click save and add similar. And here is our electricity bill. We can still edit, we can delete, and we can create another like this. So this is the way how you can record a supplier invoice on your Crunch account. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the link in description section below to my complete Crunch tutorial, where I go through the whole process from setting up account on Crunch until the very last step of preparing self-assessment return.